Today we're going to do a pre-spring decorate with me on my front porch. It's such a beautiful day today, and we're going to be adding some embellishments to my front door right here. And we're also going to put a sign here and a mat here. And so we're going to go ahead and get started. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a sign over here. Now, I've used this sign before, but this is going to have a St. Patrick's Day color palette to it. So I thought I would use this. So let's put this into place. I'm just going to set this right into here. Well, I'm going to set it down here because you can see it better from my front porch as you drive in the driveway. And so that's all we're going to do on this side. And that's what it's looking like. Up next, I'm going to add this beautiful wreath to the front door. So now I'm just going to make sure that all my loops on my ribbon has been fluffed to the max so that I have a very well put together bow. And that's a tip if you're doing a ribbon, or even if you buy your ribbon, if you buy your wreath already made and it has bows on it, make sure you go in and fluff out those loops so you get a full look from your bows. So now we're going to add some accent pillows to both of my chairs here.
Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Bury my best friend, I'm manifesting, but not concerned.
I found these gorgeous wreaths at my local Family Dollar store probably about the end of February. Just look how full they are. They're great for outdoor use as well as indoor because they're made out of plastic, and I love the fantastic price point, which is only $5. I couldn't believe my eyes when I found them. So here I'm just trying to pinpoint where I'm going to hang these wreaths. And now I'm going to add some embellishments. I am using this green and white checkered ribbon, and I just added the pink and white polka dots to give it a little panache. And because it doesn't show up well from my driveway, but I thought adding this pop of pink would make it stand out a little bit more. So I'm just doing a simple single loop to the bottom, and then I have ducktailed the ends to give the ribbon a more polished look. And so now I'm going to hang both of these wreaths into place. Another thing that I like about these wreaths is you could just hang them up without any embellishments. That's how good they look. And I'm going to show you later on in my spring decorating series just how I use these types of wreaths indoor as well. So now I'm just kind of fluffing out the tails here, and as you can see, we've got a little wind blowing there. And so now I'm just adding these little mats into the steps. I like adding these mats to my steps because it gives my steps a little personality. to go ahead and add this little shamrock garland around the base of each of these urns because I felt that they needed a little pop. And I'm planning on actually repainting this urn because it's gotten some damage on it. So I am going to be doing a DIY project on that. But I just thought I would add a few shamrocks in the theme of St. Patrick's Day. It's just the little things that makes a difference. Share a little view of my landscaping to let you know that these daylilies here are fully awake, and look how big they are. Now this is the day after the storm that we had, so they are getting ready to start blooming in a few weeks. And I noticed that on my hydrangea here, look at these beautiful little signs of life. They have green buds throughout. So this is going to be a healthy hydrangea when it gets ready to come into full bloom. Spring is right around the corner. Just check out my flower pots as well. Now all this green right here, this is my creeping Jenny that is coming back from the last season that I planted this. And this in here was the lavender that I planted. So I'm hoping that this will come back as well. And I have this other pot right here. Isn't this so beautiful? That beautiful lime green looking color. And they look so healthy, don't they? And so hopefully I had lavender in this because I did 2 pots on my deck. And so I am so happy to see all of this back, you guys.